Hello guys, welcome to another video of Elite Expertise YouTube channel. I'm Harika practicing consultant pharmacist in Australia. I work as a clinical pharmacist educator for Monash Health Hospital in Melbourne. I'm one of the teachers and educators at Elite Expertise and one of the directors as well. Elite Expertise is an online training platform where we train pharmacists, overseas qualified pharmacists for KAPS, which is Knowledge Assessment of Pharmaceutical Sciences, enabling exam, which helps you to migrate and practice as a pharmacist in Australia. It's also a pathway for your permanent residency. Apart from that, we have courses ranging from Australian intern written exam preparation, Australian intern oral exam preparation to help you achieve your dreams of general registration and practice as a pharmacist in Australia. We have received our November 2023 results of KAPS and 94% pass rate this time. One of our students, Suraj, who has cleared his KAPS exam in first attempt is with us. Congratulations, Suraj, sorry.
Thank
Congratulations.
you.
Yeah, so congratulations. How do you feel about your success?
It's quite good, madam, because actually I don't have any plan to give the CAPS exam before, but one of my friend working in the chemist warehouse in Australia,
Yeah,
so we just used to talk, and he inspired me that it's a good option to work over there because I working as a head chef in the restaurant before, so I want to make a career in that, but we know like we live in Australia, so we know how it's quite often we go and change our jobs and everything, not a particular, and it's very hard to like clear our pathway in our focus like scope
sure. Yeah.
because here, yeah, I just started my journey in here in Australia 2016. Uh, at that time, I was come here as a student, still just I am waiting for my visa. But like we are like not getting the jobs like we as a student, like we just getting only 20 hours jobs.
Yeah,
So
very
we have a limited work right, we have a limited work right in that. And when I was studying my B Farm, after that I started like as a marketing representative in Sun Pharma. It's a good company in India. I just work over there since last 5.5 years after studying my B Farm.
okay. Yeah. So I think now you have a good pathway in front of you, and you must be very happy, actually. Congratulations. So tell us, how many months did you spend in CAPS preparation?
Just only 3 months, madam, not much.
Yeah. Any secrets?
Even my senior, like I just contact Elite Expertise because of my senior, say,
Yeah.
like Preeti Patel.
Preeti Patel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, she give you a reference,
She's very
and she
close
is.
to us. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, she's my senior in Mangalore when I was studied in Mangalore, Sri Devi Pharmacy College. So she was my senior, and she inspired me to just contact you about this.
Yeah.
But
She's
she's
very,
very hard to you because I never attend any lecture. Single lecture I didn't attend. But I used to heard your lectures, recording and everything
recording sessions. You never attended live sessions, but watched.
because I have a job at the night time, so it's
Yeah.
hard for me to attend the lecture.
So you went
But
with
but
recorded sessions. Yeah.
yeah, just I go with the recorded lectures.
Yeah. Congratulations. So, any secret tips apart from how you prepared?
There are a lot many things I want to discuss with the new guys because when I was practicing, like when I was reading and everything, at that time we don't know like, oh, that thing we think too much.
Yeah, true.
Oh, it's hard. And even the last moment I want to change my exam date because at that time it's very hard to like give the exam and everything. But no problem. I just
You pushed your
confident with you. No,
uh,
I just confident with you guys, like, and I just attend the November like exam and
and
I
you passed,
pass.
which is good. Yeah, and don't get scared.
But
Towards
yeah,
when they get closer to the
because people, yeah, and I just passed my B Farm in 2010. So there is a lot of gap between that,
yeah,
and we can't remember too much about the pharmacy. But like once we used to read all the topics and everything, we just remember all the things.
true, true, true.
And I want to give the tips to all the students. You have to just focus whatever you teach, and I especially not focus on the classification, but in exam they are asking like 4 or 5 classification questions as well. So whatever you teach, just follow that all the tips. Like last moment, I just did like all the recording sessions again, and you like mock test. Mock test is very important for us because I see same questions sometime ask, in the exam, same questions. Repeatedly they asking the same questions, whatever you teach at the last moment. And sometime, we got some good advice because many other people in the groups, they are talking each other and we know the solution as well.
True. When you have group discussions, team
Group
push
discussion,
activities, which we
group
have.
discussion as well. Yeah. Push
Yeah,
activities, like
yeah, they're good. Yeah,
the
yeah,
all that things is
yeah.
good for us.
So Suraj relied on recorded lessons. He participated in the team push activities, which we divide students into different teams, and we give assignments. So he enjoyed that. And apart from that, it's his hard work and dedication, I would say. Um,
Yeah, hard work is good, because
yeah,
when we are doing a job, it's very hard for us. Even I have like two kids, so it's hard to manage even.
true, true, true. Kids
But
very
luckily
hard,
my parents here,
but
so
they
that's a
handle
good
your
thing
kids.
for
Yeah.
me. I just specially dedicated to them as well because they take care of the children, and so I can read all the topics and everything, whatever you teach.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah, yeah, great. So well done actually, like, handling kids and work and then study. But you've really done it. And it's like it's common that when we get closer to the exam date, we feel like postponing the exam, but we should give it, stay confident. You will.
because sometimes the situation like that.
Yeah,
I have like my medical everything on that day, So usually like last 1 month we have to take day off, but
yeah,
it's hard for me because November December people are going to abroad like India, they
yeah.
visited. So I asked them to give the like some leave, but they said no, I can't give you
So you
because
didn't
so
take a
many
leave,
people
but
are
but you tried your
so
best.
many yeah so many people are out of country, so we can't give you leave. I said all right, we can manage ourselves. We will see how the exam, but luckily we got all the questions from whatever you teach. And and meanwhile the exam is we should not worried about the exam because that thing only like 50% we have to achieve the exam.
Yeah,
There's
50%.
a good thing. That's the good thing for us.
Yeah, true. Yes. Yeah. So congratulations once again. How strongly do you recommend elite expertise? And if you have any special message for us?
See, like we have to just study for the short term. Definitely recommend it for the elite expertise because if we can't gain from the books.
Yeah.
If
So
we think
you
like we
recommend
will
us
read all the books,
yeah.
we will because we get some materials from the friends. But no. I already have an example. My friends, my like seniors, they all have a, like passing from the elite expertise. But if we don't know about the like pharmacy now, we have to just go again and again, like to give the exam. And you are like you are approaching the students in a good way, so we get the good result like within 3 months. It's no one, and I can't believe it, within
Yes.
3 months I can get the good result
Yeah. So
because
Suraj,
on the result
if
day,
you want
like
to, yeah. If you want to clear
on the
CAPS
result
in
day,
3 months, yeah. Go on.
and when I was giving the exam at that time, I feel like, oh, I read that questions, but not memorize very properly because we is not able to revise all the topics on the before the examination date. But I listening the recording lecture, mock test, so it's good for me. I just whatever the questions I know, I catch all the things and the result up in front of you.
Yeah, congratulations. So Suraj says it's a short-term coaching, like 3 months coaching, and he could achieve CAPS with a big gap of
Big
almost
yeah.
10 years. So like
20,
2010,
13 years, madam.
13
13
years
years.
gap from 2010 to 2023 that he could achieve in very first attempt because just for 3 months of preparation and that too working full time, managing kids and study and all together, he lost contact with this subject. But he refreshed his basics. That's what we say. Subconsciously we are all pharmacists. We just have to bring that up, and we provide the coaching in 3 months because we concise everything together and put a good plate for you to eat, tasty meal. So, thank you so much, Suraj. It was amazing talking to you. And your secret tips are recorded sessions and then, staying in contact with your friends who are preparing the group messages, team push activities, and, hard work. And good job.
And
Congratulations.
sometimes we thinking that, like if you guys are working hard, then why should not we?
Yes.
because I never see like even Sunday, like Monday to Sunday, we are very busy. Even you are like staff, even like Rekha and other people, they are also working hard. You are amazing guys.
Yeah, we've got a good team, thank God. Thank you so much, Suraj. Thank you for your sweet interview. Thank you so much once again. Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank
bye.
you. Bye.
Take care.